In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a price list using templates in Canva. We'll start right from your main dashboard. This is your home base where you can see recent designs and quick shortcuts. From here, look to the left side of the screen and click on Templates. This opens a library of ready-made designs that you can use as a starting point, which saves a lot of time and helps keep your layout clean and professional. In the Templates page, go to the search bar and type Price List. You'll see a wide range of styles appear, from minimal and modern to bold and colorful. Take a moment to scroll and preview a few options. Think about the vibe you're going for. Do you want something simple and elegant or something more eye-catching? Also, consider the format that fits your needs, like portrait or landscape, especially if you'll be sharing it digitally or printing it later. Some templates may be marked as premium, while many are free, so pick one that suits your style and access. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the preview, then select Customize this template. This brings the design into the editor, where you're free to make it your own. Start by updating the main title with your business or collection name. Replace the placeholder items with your own product or service names, and clearly list the prices. Keep your pricing consistent. Choose a currency format, decide whether you'll include decimals, and stick with it throughout. Use the toolbar to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors so the design matches your brand. Make your prices easy to spot by using a slightly larger size or a contrasting color. If the template includes images or icons, swap them with visuals that fit your offerings. Keep spacing even and align text for a tidy, professional look. If your list is long, group related items under clear subheadings so people can scan quickly. Pay attention to readability. High contrast between text and background is important. If a background is too busy, tone it down or use a subtle shape behind your text. Double-check spelling, currency symbols, and any fine print. Small details help your price list feel polished and trustworthy. And that's it. You went from the main dashboard into templates, searched price list, chose a design you liked, hit Customize this template, and tailored it to fit your brand and pricing. With these simple steps and a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll have a clear, attractive price list ready to use.